Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. I'm Miss Lily, and today we have a super exciting challenge. 50 easy English phrases for kids. We're going to learn fast, have fun, and practice together. Are you ready, Leo?
Yes, I'm super ready, Miss Lily. I want to learn all 50 phrases.
And you at home, are you ready too? Great! Let's begin with simple greetings. Repeat with us.
Let's do it.
Phrase 1. Hello.
Hello.
Phrase 2. Good morning.
Good morning.
Phrase 3. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Phrase 4. Good night.
Good night.
Phrase 5. How are you?
How are you?
Phrase 6. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Phrase 7. What's your name?
What's your name?
Phrase 8. My name is.
My name is Leo.
Phrase 9. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Phrase 10. See you later.
See you later.
Great job! Now let's learn phrases for being polite.
I like polite words. They make people smile.
Phrase 11. Please.
Please.
Phrase 12. Thank you.
Thank you.
Phrase 13. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Phrase 14. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Phrase 15. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Phrase 16. No problem.
No problem.
Phrase 17. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Phrase 18. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Phrase 19. One more time, please.
One more time, please.
Phrase 20. Great job.
Great job.
Now, let's practice phrases for everyday activities.
Oh, I love this part.
Phrase 21. I wake up.
I wake up.
Phrase 22. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Phrase 23. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Phrase 24. I go to school.
I go to school.
Phrase 25. I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
Phrase 26. I read a book.
I read a book.
Phrase 27. I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
Phrase 28. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Phrase 29. I clean my room.
I clean my room.
Phrase 30. I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
You're doing wonderful, Leo. Are you tired yet?
Nope, I'm a learning machine.
Then let's continue with feelings.
Feelings time.
Phrase 31. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Phrase 32. I'm sad.
I'm sad, but only pretending.
Phrase 33. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Phrase 34. I'm tired.
I'm tired. A little.
Phrase 35. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry for cookies.
Phrase 36. I'm scared.
I'm scared of big spiders.
Phrase 37. I'm surprised.
I'm surprised.
Phrase 38. I'm worried.
I'm worried about tests.
Phrase 39. I'm brave.
I'm brave.
Phrase 40. I'm proud.
I'm proud of me.
And we are proud of you too, little listener. Now let's finish with useful classroom phrases.
Yay, school phrases.
Phrase 41. Can I go to the bathroom?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Phrase 42. Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Phrase 43. I don't know.
I don't know.
Phrase 44. I have a question.
I have a question.
Phrase 45. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Phrase 46, let's start.
Let's start.
Phrase 47, listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Phrase 48, pay attention.
Pay attention.
Phrase 49, well done.
Well done.
And phrase 50, let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Leo, you did an amazing job today.
Thank you, Miss Lily, but I want to say something to everyone listening.
Go ahead, Leo.
Kids, if you practice these phrases every day, you're going to learn English super fast.
That's right. Learning a little bit every day makes a big difference.
And Miss Lily, can we review everything at super speed?
Super speed mode activated. Leo and Miss Lily. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. See you later. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Can you help me? I don't understand. One more time, please. Great job. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast, I go to school, I play with my friends, I read a book, I draw pictures, I watch TV, I clean my room, I go to sleep, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm excited, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm scared, I'm surprised, I'm worried, I'm brave, I'm proud, can I go to the bathroom, can you repeat, I don't know, I have a question, I'm ready, let's start, listen carefully, pay attention, well done, let's learn together.
Whoa, that was fast.
And fun! And you at home, how many phrases did you say with us?
Tell us in the comments.
And if you want more fun English lessons like this,
Don't forget to like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend.
You're all amazing. Thank you for learning with us today.
Bye-bye, little stars.
See you next time on Tiny Talk Time.